Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set availability on Calendly. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So what you need to do is you can see an option called availability. You just need to click on it. After clicking on it, you will see an interface like this where you can set your availability and you will see your time zone and you can see your event type and you will see the days here. You can deselect the days and you can change the time from here. You can do many things from here. You can also add the time if you want by clicking on the plus icon. I'm going to show you how does it look in calendar view. Okay, so scroll down. You can change the time zone from here. Alright, so now you can see the availability that is appearing here. I'm going to go in list view and I can set up my availability from here. I can change the time from here. So that's how you can set up the availability. So that's it for today guys. Hope you find the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.